Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I am Ilham Bagus Saputra. I am majoring in Physical Education, Health and Recreation in Semarang State University. And my name is 61014201667. Okay, today I have got 4 easy juggling trick or freestyle skill for you to try at home. Juggling is one of the basic techniques in football. The movement is by bouncing the ball over the right or left foot and try to keep the ball from falling. Now, freestyle is not going to improve your performance on the pitch. You are not going to become a better player by doing freestyle skills. But it's a good way to warm up with the ball. It's enjoyable, it's nice to be creative and have a bit of fun with the ball from time to time. So let's get right into the first move. Number 1 is the around the world. They are moving off for all the way around at 360 degrees and they are making contact with it in the same spot on the ball. So I would recommend starting this move by using a foot style, just so you can get the technique down, learning how to move your foot around that ball, and then when you are comfortable try juggling it, but keeping the ball low knee height or below. Then as you make contact with the ball, immediately move your foot around it. Don't wait to juggle it up and then move your foot around. Immediately make contact and get around that ball as quickly as possible, so you can either go inwards to outwards or outwards to inwards, whatever you are more confident with. Number 2 is the hop the world. Very similar to around the world. This time as one foot makes contact with the ball, the opposite foot then comes around to complete that around the world movement. So the key with this one is to leave the ground immediately as you make contact with the ball. So you need to make contact and immediately hop off of the opposite leg to have enough time to get that foot around it. If you leave it too long, you just won't have enough time, you won't be able to complete the move. I would recommend starting this one from a foot style until you get the technique down, then as you grow in confidence, then try it from a juggling situation. Number 3 is the crossover. So we are just trying to cross our feet over while continuing to juggle the ball. So you need to hop off of both feet mid-flight and one foot going over the top of the ball, similar to an around the world, but the opposite foot underneath is the one that's making contact with the ball. So you are basically just juggling and hopping mid-flight. That underfoot is the one that's making contact with the ball, and the opposite foot just goes over the top of it, so you feet cross over. Number 4 is the neck style. This is where you catch it on the back of your neck. A very simple technique once you learn how to do it, so you can practice to begin with by just pressing it on the back of your neck with your hands, just so you learn how it feels to have it balanced on the back of your neck. And then when you are confident enough, try doing it with juggling. So what we are doing is keeping our eye on the ball at all times, and then as it starts to drop at the very last second, we bend forward and cushion it with the back of our neck. But you really need to leave it till the last second to make sure it cushions and doesn't bounce away. The key to all juggling is repetition and practice. So if you want to become great at any of these skills, the most important thing is putting in the hours and working on them over and over again. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like and see you guys.